Hello and welcome to WordPress Tip of the Week. This is week number 10. In this week, we're going to talk about how you can display the current role of a user. Now, this comes in handy when you're doing a query and you want to see if the person is an admin or a subscriber or things like that. And this is the easiest way to do it. So right now, we're here on our site in the demo template area. Just as welcome to the demo area. So let's go into File Manager. So we'll go File Manager, and Public HTML, WP Content, Themes, and then Storefront Child. And now let's go in and edit the demo template. Okay, so here we are. So actually, to look at the current user, it's very simple. Basically, here's what you do. You're going to assign a variable called user, and then what we're going to do is we're going to instantiate. And what this is we're declaring a new instance of the variable user. So we're doing new WP underscore user, and then inside the argument is get current user underscore ID. And then of course we have to finish it off with a semicolon here. Alright, so let's go over this. So the function get user ID, this will get the user ID for who's ever logged in. And right now it's me, I'm the administrator. And then what we're doing is we're declaring a new WP user. So we're instantiating into the variable user. So now the variable user will be an array containing a whole bunch of different things. So just to prove that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something called print R of user. And what this will do is this will show all the information that this instantiation put into the variable user. So let's go ahead and save changes, and we're going to go back to our super demo clothing store. Now it's going to output a lot of stuff here. Okay, so this is all the data that is within the user variable once it's instantiated. So what we're doing is we're actually looking for basically right here. We're looking for part of the array that's called roles. Okay, and within this array roles, it's inside the user array. So the first element, which is element 0, contains what our user role is. In our case, this is administrator. So in order to extract that data, let's go back to the demo template. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this because we don't need this anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to echo out user pointing to roles, because this is how you call an array element. And then since roles is an array itself, we're going for the first element of an array. Now the first element of an array is always starting with 0. Okay, so now once it echoes, it should say administrator. So let's click on save changes, and then we can go back to our site. Now all this stuff will go away, and then it'll say welcome to the demo area, and then underneath we'll just say administrator. So let's go ahead and refresh. And there you go. So that's how you can get the role of the current person that's logged in. Now remember, there's the key word. The person has to be logged in, because if they're not, they don't have a role assigned to them. They only have it once they're logged in. Okay, so that wraps up this week's WordPress tip of the week. I know this is a little more advanced, and from time to time we're going to get under the hood and do a little bit of advanced PHP, because the more you know about PHP, MySQL, and CSS, the better at WordPress you will definitely be, and the more you'll be able to customize WordPress. So thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video and subscribe to our channel. And now each month any subscriber will be eligible for a drawing for a free WordPress course. So make sure you like and subscribe to our channel here, and we'll see you next week. Take care. Bye.